This is the unboxing of the LED night light. This has a color of 5000K, which makes it look a little bit blue, and that's why I wanted to choose that color. And this is a really bright one because it is 40 lumens at only 0.3 watts. This box has 4 units in here, and I chose this because the typical ones are only about 10 lumens or less, and this is going to be 4 times as bright. Here, I'm going to unbox it. Here's the instructions. Automatically can turn off. It's got specifications, warnings, and that's it. Oops, I said there were 4. There's actually 6. They're tiny. There's the LED sensor. There's apparently no switch on here. You just plug them in and they work. And there's 6 to the box. Here, I've plugged them in next to each other, and you can that the new one is a bit brighter than the other one, about 4 times brighter. This is a garage that has 5 electrical outlets in it, and I put night lights in here so that it's not so scary when I first jump out here. And above where the garage door opener is, I've put 3 night lights, and you can see that they've filled up with bugs. And I'm going to go from about 7 lumen night lights, and instead I'm going to be going to these 40 lumen night lights. This is what the 40 lumen night lights do to the garage. I've got this one for when I back my car in so that I can walk around the back. I've got for that side of the garage. Up here, I replaced 3 7 lumen night lights with 1 40 lumen night light. I've left that one there in the corner, but I did put one in this corner, and you can see the difference it makes in the garage to go from 7 lumen to 40 lumens.